This is Nilesh Manajis from NM Consulting. Before lockdown, I was planning to complete a certification course in Microsoft Office with Excel 2016 as a specialization. Through web, I got contact of IMA Institute at Vasai. I called them up and they gave me all the required details. Subsequently, lockdown started, but they again called me saying online exams are possible from home. So I completed my training and certification exam from home during lockdown period. Thanks to IMA team for all the support for installing necessary softwares remotely on my computers to help me complete the course. I recommend the institute to all those who wish to complete certification exams. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mehir and I'm working with an accounting firm. So I use my Excel for all BAU activities, and recently I was planning to complete my Microsoft Excel certification, and I had contacted EMA for that thing, who had an authorized test center. So I found that the staff was very cooperative. Piyush especially, he was very helpful, and they even provided me a complimentary training material which helped me to prepare for the examination. And I would thanks the IMA Institute and recommend anybody who's planning to do the Microsoft certification to just go through the IMA Institute. They are very helpful, and thanks Piyush and thanks IMA Institute. Thank you.
Myself Vishaka. I really enjoyed learning from IMA Institute. They provided a great support and they helped me out to learn and certified from home in this lockdown situation. It was very grateful to them to provide me the support and the guidance. Thanks to IMA. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Vaishnavi Murudkar and I'm a student at IMA Institute. During this COVID-19 pandemic, IMA Institute has been providing online training programs with the students. My time in lockdown has been pretty much productive, as I've been able to learn advanced Excel through IMA Institute. It was really easy to understand and the online program was really good, and now I can use advanced Excel with ease. So thanks to IMA.
Hi, I am Shivani Miana. I am an IMA Institute student. During this lockdown period, I was able to learn Photoshop just by sitting at home via online course of IMA Institute. It was very easy to understand and worth my time during this lockdown period. So I thank IMA Institute for giving me this opportunity.
Hi, I am Anishka Chikkar, a student at IMA Institute. In this COVID-19 pandemic, I could learn advanced Excel at IMA Institute. The institute provided me lectures on advanced Excel and Excel, so I could utilize my time and brain doing something productive. So I thank IMA Institute for providing me this brilliant opportunity.
Hi.
Thank you.
Myself Swapnil from IMA Institute. I have learned something new in this lockdown period. Software like Adobe Animate. Adobe Animate software was really great. I have learned something new from that software. In day-to-day life, we see many animations, creative animations on TV, social media. I hope I will also create something new and creative from the help of Adobe Animate software. Thank you.
हेलो, मेरा नाम है आमिर ओबेरा फ्रॉम आइमा इंस्टीट्यूट वसई ब्रांच। गाइज, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ जो हमारे लॉकडाउन का पीरियड है वो हमारे लिए स्पेशली बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्ड था, मुश्किल था, क्योंकि इसमें हम हमारे क्लासेस नहीं अटेम्प्ट कर पा रहे थे, लेक्चर्स नहीं पूरे कर पा रहे थे, और मैं कसम से आई वॉज लाइक बहुत हार्ड था स्पेशली मेरे लिए वो टाइम। तो फिर मुझे एक्चुअली मेरे सर ने मुझे प्रेफरेंस दिया कि जो कि हमारे क्लास का एक वेबसाइट है जहाँ पे हमें ना मोस्टली ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स चलते रहते, तो वहाँ पे मैं मोस्टली रजिस्टर कर दिया, और अभी मेरे जो लेक्चर्स थे इट वाज अ फैंटास्टिक। मैं एनिमेट सीसी कर रहा था, और अभी जो मेरा चल रहा है वो फोटोशॉप चल रहा है। और गाइज, आप मानोगे नहीं, इतना मतलब आप देखोगे ना वो सॉफ्टवेयर यानी जो वेबसाइट है ना, आप में ना एकदम डिट्टो से डिट्टो डिटेल्स और कुछ भी वीडियोस भी कम से कम 720 एंड 1080 पे चलती है, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती। गाइज, मैं पर्सनली थैंक्स बोलना चाहूँगा जो हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट है और हमारे सर मैम को फॉर दिस। स्पेशली थैंक यू सो मच मैम, जो हमारा जो बीच में कोर्सेज ड्रॉप हुए थे उसके लिए। तो ये हमारा जो एक तरीके से वेबसाइट था हमारे क्लास का वो पूरा कर रहा है। तो वंस अगेन थैंक्स आईमा इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर दिस, मज़ा आया लेक्चर्स के लिए. वंस अगेन स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, घर पे रहो, लॉकडाउन है, बाहर मत जाओ. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi, my name is Isha Mishra. I have taken Photoshop course in this IMA Institute of Computers. This course was very useful to me as I have chose this subject or this topic as my career. So about this course, it has assessments, exercise, and many new things like pop-up effects, image manipulations. And the best part is it is a self-paced program. That means you can use it or you can study in your own convenience.